What's up, guys? Out here on the river. It's Sunday. Brought a buddy of mine that I haven't seen in, what, 20 years, Mike?
Right, 15 years.
15, 20 years. Said he wanted to go look for some rocks. I was like, well, I got a spot where we can walk into. But, just walk through a bunch of these. Look at this stuff. It's an old dump site. I've never found anything here. Maybe a couple flakes of flint, but I stopped and was looking at all these old broken pieces of glass. I looked right over there, and that's what's laying there. Let's pull it out and see what we got. It looks like it's got an ear broke off of it. Look at the ear on that other side. Man.
Look at that thing. Oh man. Look at the serrations on it.
Wow. That thing's got a needle tip on it. The base is all there. Alright, let's give it a car wash.
Yeah, what's that thing up?
Wow. Look at the ear on that, man. Just missing one little ear. I don't know what that is.
I'll get red color.
That tip on that thing's killer. Look at that long old barb on it. And there's what made that way. Broke off that
How
ear.
ground out is that base?
Oh, it's ground.
That's pretty. Just that one ear.
That's alright.
Man, that's gonna look good in the case.
Yep.
That tip's incredible.
Yeah, it's got a needle tip on it.
Some good work.
It's been resharpened. I don't know if that's like a wade or them downward sloped barbs. I found a couple wades in the same area. Some more of that red material. Alright, it's a good start. If we find anything else, we'll bring it. What's up, guys? Back out on the river. Probably about 75 yards from where I found the last one. Walked up on that right there. The rain definitely helped. Alright.
Looking good.
It's all there. Wow.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
I'm gonna walk down here and give it a car wash. Yeah, I'd say it's probably an Athena. Pretty nice. It's got a little grinding on it. Pretty nice. Made out of hornstone. I'll take it. Alright, we gotta get Mike on one. He's starting to get discouraged.
Took out my fishing pole.
Alright, guys. If we find anything else, we'll bring it. What's up, guys? Back out on the river. It ain't been that long since the last point. But Mike finally breaks the ice. Kind of see this little wash right here. Got little pockets of fire rock up here. But he walked up on that. Looks like it's all there. Go ahead and pull it. Nice serrations on it too.
Yeah, point to it. Good sharp point. Give it a bath with that.
Go ahead. found some more. What's up, guys? Back out here. Hit a little dry patch. There ain't a whole lot of material laying around. Now, saw pieces of bigger rock, and then I looked over and seen a piece that looked like hardstone, and it looks like it's, you can see, I done picked it up and washed it off, but I set it back in there where it was at. You can see where it's got flake scars on it. Now check this side out. They were working that thing down. I don't know if it was going to be an axe or what, but they were whittling it down, freeform to an axe, some kind of chopper. I mean, it's a heavy, hard stone. You can see all the work on it. That didn't happen on its own. Some kind of green granite. It's pretty killer. Look at all the flake scars on it, where they were pecking it off. I don't know what they were trying to make, but it's the size of an axe, but it's some kind of hard stone. I just figured I'd show y'all that. All right, if I find anything else, I'll bring it. What's happening? Back out on the river, the water's dropped probably about 20 feet in the last 4 or 5 days, and it's still up too high. But just looking at some of these little rock deposits, looks like a lot of them got mudded in from the water going up. But I walked up on this right here. I don't know what it is. We're gonna pull it out there. Some kind of little blade or knife or something. It's crude, but it's a start. It's definitely something. Rough looking. Alright, I'm gonna keep looking. What's up, guys? Back on the river, Sunday. I don't know if this is anything. It looks like it's got a little work, but I think it might be broke. I figured I'd go ahead and turn the camera on just in case it is something. Worked along that edge right there. I guess part of a little blade. All right, if I find anything else, I'll bring it.